मैं एक compulsive traveler हूँ and I usually club my travel with neighboring countries. तो जब मैंने ऑस्ट्रिया विजिट किया, then I decided to visit Hungary. क्योंकि हंगरी वियना से सिर्फ 2 घंटे की ट्रेन राइड है. When I boarded my train, it was snowing heavily and it was so beautiful. I simply loved my train ride. Welcome to Budapest! Budapest Eastern Europe की एक ऐसी सिटी है which has been on my bucket list since I started traveling. I've been wanting to come here, but किसी न किसी वजह से मैं अपनी ये wish fulfill नहीं कर सकी. But finally now, here I am. Welcome to Hungary, Budapest. I'm beginning my beautiful day in this beautiful Budapest city. My hotel is situated right opposite gorgeous Danube River. इस रिवर की एक तरफ जो हिल है उसे बुडा कहते हैं और मैं पेस्ट साइड में रुकी हूँ. So Buda and Pest makes Budapest. So let's explore Budapest. To be honest, I wasn't prepared for how beautiful the city is. I mean, मैंने online Budapest के बारे में बहुत बार पढ़ा था, and I knew about the parliament. But that really is the tip of the iceberg. The whole city is gorgeous and a perfect place for a city break or a long weekend in the city. You'll love the city. Budapest is very diverse, very interesting city, full of beautiful art. Walking on the streets of this city, you will find several statues at random places. One can take walking tour and discover amazing sculptures of Budapest. The Little Princess is a statue of little girl sitting on the railings of Danube Promenade. It is one of the most popular sculptures in Budapest for tourists to take pictures with. Budapest card, which you can buy for 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours or even 7 days. And this is what I've got, 72 hours pass, which gives me free entry to all the museums and also a whole lot of discounts. Possibly the most famous bridge in Hungary. The chain bridge is the principal bridge that connects Budapest. One of the things I love most about the center of Budapest is that it's totally walkable city. तो आप चलकर इस सिटी को पूरा घूम सकते हैं और चेन ब्रिज पर घूमना इज अ मस्ट. So finally I used my Budapest card and now I'm going to see the castle. Oh, I look like a ghost. One of the most beautiful things to do in Budapest has to be seeing Buda Castle. It was a definitely very cold and chilly day, but I was so excited. I'm going to see Buda Castle. So Buda Castle is very widely spread. I'm going to see the view from here. I can see the west side of Budapest. जब मैं सो के उठती हूँ तो मेरे होटल रूम से मुझे बुडा कासल दिखाई देता है. So this is Buda Castle and this is where I am right now. The most important thing is that when you come to any Eastern European country or any European country, you must carry waterproof shoes. It's so important. Look at this. It's so slushy right now, but I'm comfortable because of my shoes. There are so many photo opportunities, especially across the city. I really enjoyed seeing Buda Castle.
As I told you, ये castle बहुत बड़ा है. इसके एक तरफ पैलेस और म्यूजियम है और दूसरी तरफ है फिशरमैन बास्टियन, जो कि कंपैरेटिवली नया पार्ट है इस पैलेस का. There's a stark difference between two sides, between Pest and Buda. See, Buda area है और Buda area has really nice old world charm to it. And when we go to Pest side is very modern. You can see the stark difference between two places.
Fisherman Bastion is a gorgeous spot and a viewpoint to look over Budapest.
ये बुडा कासल का एक्सट्रीम कॉर्नर है और यहाँ बना हुआ है ये स्टार्लिंग वेरी ड्रीम लाइक कासल जिसका नाम है फिशरमैन बास्टियन. ये बहुत ही फेमस है. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे लोग स्पेशली अपनी पिक्चर्स लेने के लिए आते हैं. These arches are actually the lookout point for the city. Hello Hungary! Subscribe to my YouTube channel Travel with Dipti Bhatnagar and follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.